we'll guide you through how to create a blog on your Wix website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard and select the site you want to add a blog to. If you haven't created a site yet, you'll need to set one up first. Now, in the left-hand menu, click on the Add Apps button, which will take you to the Wix app market. In the search bar, type Wix blog and then select the Wix blog app. Click on the Add to Site button to integrate it with your website. Once it's added, Wix will automatically create a new blog page on your site. You can access this by going back to the dashboard and clicking on the Blog Manager option. Here, you can start creating your first blog post by clicking on Create New Post. Enter your post title and content in the editor, and don't forget to add images or videos to make your post engaging. You can also use the toolbar to customize fonts, colors, and other formatting options. Before publishing, make sure to set up categories and tags which will help organize your posts and make them easier for visitors to find. Once you're satisfied with your post, hit the Publish button to make it live on your website. To manage your blog, you can always return to the Blog Manager where you can edit, delete, or create new posts. Remember, your blog page can be customized too. Go to the site editor, click on the blog page, and use the tools to adjust the design to match your site's look and feel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.